So let's start with the new keywords area. What does it do? So I'm pretty sure 100% that your way of researching new keywords in an account that's already running, what you do is go look at your search terms reports or search queries report and look at these terms that are actually being triggered by your keywords. Pick the good ones, create new ad groups for them, pick the negative ones and put them in their negative keyword list. This is what the new keyword section allows you to do, at least for the new keywords. And what it does is take all the search terms, see which ones have conversions, have good metrics, and with our restructuring algorithm, put them together in already well-structured ad groups. Sometimes the search query needs to go in its own ad group with other keywords, or it needs to go in an existing ad group. So this process of figuring out what to put a new search term is already done for you. You don't have to think about it anymore. All you have to do is just come look at your new ad group. So let's say, okay, here's a good one. We've got 2 keywords in this ad group and they look good to be added into the account. So all I will do is simply approve. And there we go. I have my new ad group. It's not published yet. I'm just picking and choosing the ones that I like. Here's another one that I think I'm going to approve. So I'm going to approve this one. Let me take a look. Maybe one that is not that great. Okay, this one is not that great. So I'm going to reject it. This way I don't see it anymore. The best thing is to go through as many of them as you can, and when I'm happy with the work that I've done, then save and start the publishing process. And I want to show you how easy it is. Like one of the things I said in the beginning is that we don't want you to think about the process too much. We just want to give you the recommendation and then you can go through them and publish them if you're happy with them. So these are the ad groups. And the interface here is very similar to the restructuring phase, and I can see, my ad groups are here. Everything looks good. So 2 ads, one taken from the best, one being the best ad found, and then the second ad being the exact same as the first, but with dynamic keyword insertion. And that's pretty much it. It's kind of a lazy approach, but it's good enough. Remember, when you're going to be working on your ads, you work on them in the ad creation and pausing feature, and you always prioritize what you're working on. When you're happy, same thing again, you can confirm and publish or export to a CSV. For this section, for the new ad groups, sometimes for new accounts, so it starts with the search terms report, but if there's no data in the search terms report, especially, for new account, you don't really know, there isn't much data going on. What it's going to do is it's going to go to the keyword planner and look for keywords that are similar to your currently active keywords in the account. Okay, so this section should always have some data, either from the search terms report or the keyword management. This here is, I really like this because it doesn't, it takes the guesswork out of the way. And I know that it's really time consuming to go dig deep into the search terms and add new keywords. Even though Google kind of does it for you, you still have to figure out which ad group to put them in so that you have proper structure. Remember the intent behind the keyword, because without proper structure, then your ads are going to be mismatched and your quality score is going to start dropping because your CTR is below average. So this here allows you to always have good structure when you add new ad groups to your account.